Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by ensuring a stable connection and enough power. This prevents failed installs. Once connected, open the App Store and tap your profile icon at the top right to reveal available updates. You should scan the list and prioritize any security or paid apps that need immediate attention. Make sure to note app sizes. Large downloads are slower on mobile. Once done, prepare to update either individually or all at once depending on your bandwidth and urgency. You now choose whether to tap Update for each app or Update all for convenience. This controls bandwidth and timing. If the system asks, authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to start downloads securely. Pay attention to each progress bar because interrupted installs can corrupt app data. If a download stalls, tap the app icon to pause and tap again to resume. Make sure to keep the device awake. And on Wi-Fi for large, you finish by verifying new app versions under your profile and launching key apps to confirm they work correctly. This checks for compatibility issues. If an update fails, restart your device first, then free up storage or sign out and back into your Apple ID to refresh permissions. Make sure you distinguish app updates from iOS updates. Go to Settings General Software Update only for system updates. If problems persist, contacting Apple support may reveal server or account issues that need resolution.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.